everybody. So, are you tired of that leftover Thanksgiving sandwich? I've got something great for you. Taking leftover stuffing and we're making egg in a hole because it's easy AF. Okay, so I know you probably have a lot of leftover stuffing, so we're just gonna take that and put it into a non-stick pan, and we're gonna create a little, I don't know, what do you want to call it? Pancake, a little cake. We're gonna heat up that stuffing. Sometimes I'll put a little water into it because it got so dry from being reheated so many times. And then just create a hole in the middle. And that's where your egg is gonna get fried. Now I love this because my stuffing has cornbread and challah, so it's a little bit sweet. And it comes together perfectly when you reheat it. And I like to add peppers and hot sauce. I love hot sauce on my breakfast and on my eggs anyway, so this is really the perfect combination. I'm gonna put a dab of olive oil in the center where I'm gonna put that egg, and as soon as it starts to sizzle and sound hot, I'm gonna crack it in. And I love what happens here. The egg white starts to bring together the bottom of that stuffing, and you can just kind of release it and make sure everything's holding together. Oh my God. If you could smell this. See, when you reheat stuffing this way, I find it to be more delicious. Sometimes in the microwave is fine, but this gets more exciting to me. I'm gonna put some of these peppers around. These are just roasted peppers. You could put tomato, you could put anything you like that you normally have with your eggs. Mushrooms would be great too, all depending on what's in your stuffing. A little dash of hot sauce because I like it spicy AF. And then I'm just gonna cover it until that egg is cooked. See you in a minute. All right, so this is cooked for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how you like your yolk. And check that out. That looks so good. So it's basically like a stuffing pancake with peppers, fried egg, and hot sauce. And this should just slide right out of here if you put enough fat, which I normally do. And onto your plate. The bottom is crispy and crunchy like a crouton. We've got ooey gooey egg and peppers, and this leftover stuffing egg in a hole is easy AF.